everyone, it's Tisha with Scrappy Tees Creations, and today I want to show you my August stamp and die cut set called Eternal Bloom from Stamplistic. Here you get the rubber die, the layering dies, and the big die. So here is the rubber die, and it fits great on my Tim Holtz platform. I'm taking it out of the thing and I'm showing you how beautifully intricate it is. And when stamped, it is gorgeous. And here are the layering dies. There are 9 altogether, from the very, biggest to the most smallest image on the stamp. And I will go through these. You have 2 options with you can either cut out the whole bloom, or you can cut out a portion of the bloom. It is so beautiful when it is die cut. I'm kind of having a hard time with the rubber not cooperating, of course, because it's rubber and it doesn't really slide. The dies don't really slide too well, so I'm hoping you can see. You can cut it out like that as well. Each layer is really gorgeous, and I use my Cuttlebug to cut out the layers. I use the magnetic die and the 2B plates in order to do that. I'm sure you can use many other manual die cutting platforms with these dies. They're pretty sturdy, and they cut beautifully. One pass and you're done. I love how they just go in order of how to cut this out. It makes it super easy for you to think about what layer you really want to accentuate when you're cutting it out. And they give you so many options. And the teeny tiny one. And like I said, they give you 9. So thank you very much, Ken and Sean from Ken's Creations, for this beautiful stamp set. I won this as a 6-month subscription. And these sets run around $60, but then you get a 35% discount if you're a member. So it's a little less than $50. And there's the large die. Here are some examples they send you as well for some inspiration. And I was inspired by that piece right there. And this was the August set. Sorry if my voice is a little groggy. The weather is changing around here. It is getting colder. And winter is coming. I think sooner than I would like. So there's what I made. And I used the Spectrum Noir markers that I have. I also used Queen & Company's Rhinestone Trios for the bling. Used my jewel picker to put those on there. I'm sorry if you can hear my nephew. He's playing a game with his friends. And there's a 3D foam black squares. I like to use those because then you don't see the white with the other ones. So I love the metallic shine of that, and the bling really sets it off. And if you put it, it's perfect for an A2 size card, a 5.5 by 4 1/4 size card. Perfect focal point. Well, thanks so much for watching.